Good day, guys. Wherever you may be watching from. Um, so basically, today is 17th of March, and this is where we are at the moment. So this is just because another session has started. Asian session has started. If you may, Tokyo session for tomorrow, Tuesday has started, or sorry, Wednesday has started. But this is where we are right now, 6:33 New York time here, Monday, and this is the day we are going to be talking about. This is what we're going to talk about today. As you can see, we are on the daily time frame. Our last analysis here on this page was here on Friday. I did make an analysis yesterday. Maybe I'll go back to it. I don't really know. But yeah, yesterday was quite rough because I had a trade yesterday, made some profit and broke even the rest. Yesterday was just very somehow. The charts, that's just how it is. The charts misbehave sometimes. So yeah. And this is today. So we're going to be talking about today in this video, 17th of March. So basically, today was a sell for me. I took a sell today and um probably made, I think I'm even running, let's say around 40 pips in profit right now on this particular on this day. Yeah, I'm running around 40 pips in profit, sorry, on this day. So I'm going to be taking us through what I saw in this, what I saw today that made me take myself, you feel me? So basically, I want you all to go into your charts. Don't use this FXCM. I want you to use like something like capital.com. Use capital.com, and I'll explain a few things that I saw that made me take myself today. So basically, if you go to capital.com, over here, there is a gap. There is a gap. There is a gap here. So I highlighted that gap and I took myself forward, knowing fully well that the market always retraces back to all those gaps. Here there's a gap, here there's a gap. Let me see if I can even, oh, I'll just leave it sharp. But go to your chart, go to capital.com instead of FXCM. Don't use FXCM. I don't know why it is not showing the gap here on FXCM. But like if you go to capital.com, the gap is more obvious. And I think you should be using capital.com for your, what's it called now, for your plots. I don't use them and I'm not advertising for them. That's just what I use, and I'm advising you to use this too, because if the gap is on capital.com, I wonder why the gap is not here. So I prefer you use capital.com. So on the weekly time frame over on capital.com, there is a gap. The market always remembers those gaps. Just know that. So there is a gap here. And after yesterday, when I saw the markets trading up here like this, naturally, see this level highlighted here. I'm expecting that we tap down into this and come over here. So yesterday, when we had the sale yesterday, but the sale wasn't so strong, you feel me? I closed out some positions in profit and some were in break even. And I'll explain why to you. Maybe I'll even talk about this day also. Um, when I deep down into lower time frames, I'll talk about this day. But for now, let's talk about here. So yesterday, after I saw, or this morning, after I saw the formation of this candlestick, and it was a full buy candlestick. And then going into today, I was wondering also, why are we going up? Are we just probably coming somewhere here, or are we going to just retrace down? Knowing fully well that my bias is bearish, full time bearish. I was wondering how and why are we trading? Why are we having this kind of strong buy candlestick if we are bearish? So I had to deep down to the weekly time frame. Then I saw the gap around here. Then I realized, okay, we are probably coming to trade into that gap just to sell back downwards. So I watched the market and I was patient until it was time for me to execute my trade. Because I told you the time I trade is New York session, I'll only trade New York session. Feel me? I only trade New York session. So today Tuesday started around here. So this is 12 a.m. New York time. Started around here. We traded. I only trade in the morning on New York from 8 a.m. above. That's when I trade. So around 8, 9, we started trading up. And when we started trading up, I was looking very strong, waiting for this area, waiting for this area. I was waiting seriously because I knew the market was going to trade into that gap. I could have taken a buy. I could have taken a buy somewhere around here or even here, but I didn't take the buy because, of course, it's not you don't have to get into every move in the market. If you want to maintain your you want to maintain your discipline. Besides, if I had taken a buy, I could have been tempted to hold the buy for too long. You feel me? Hoping, oh, we just keep buying, and I'll have forgotten that, oh, I'm actually supposed to take a sale somewhere around here. So yeah, I didn't take the buy. Instead, I waited for my own bias, my own move, and my own prediction, and I caught the markets exactly where I wanted to catch it. So I traded back up. So around 8 a.m. in the morning, we traded directly into that gap when the stocks got open and everything. We traded into that gap, and right immediately we started selling back down. So I got in around here. I got in around here. My stop loss was immediately I got in around here. Immediately I saw the retracement on this candlestick. I knew we are done. We have already tipped into. You can see this yellow rectangle indicates the what's it called now? The gap on the weekly time frame I told you about. The market always remembers those gaps. When there is a gap, the market traces into the gap, fills it up, and then continues its business. So um I went in on a short around here. My stop loss was here, very tight stop loss. I think it was around how many pips stop loss? Maybe maybe 1 pip stop loss. I so it was that tight. It was actually that tight, or 2 pips at most. Or yeah, okay, let's say 4 to 8 pips stop loss. 4 to 8 pips stop loss. So yeah, my stop loss was around here. I made it. So you feel me? And immediately my target will be here and here. So as you can see, we've not hit our full target yet. Hopefully we should be there by tomorrow. By tomorrow we should be there. But then yeah, I've secured some profits around here, just below this, and I still have some positions running, and I'll wait till tomorrow, or maybe yeah, most likely till tomorrow, because by tomorrow I like to close my positions. I don't like to wait till the next time I'm ready to trade to have positions running. So most likely by tomorrow I will close these positions, and by then, by God's grace, we should be here. We should be here by then, and even here. So basically, this is how trading goes, guys. Maintain your discipline, and yeah, you get results. And this was Friday's trade I told you of. You see, we didn't hit my target here. I closed all positions before I could market retraced and took me at a loss. Yeah, I closed all positions in profits. So yeah, this is Monday, yesterday, that green candlestick, that buy candlestick I told you about. I'll take you through my trade and everything. So this is Monday morning. We traded back up, took out the buy side liquidity here. And immediately we took out the buy side liquidity here, I knew okay, it was time to sell. So when so I entered in my short around here. My short was around here. My short was here, my stop loss was here, and I was hoping we'll come and hit this target and this target and this target. But the market just misbehaved. You feel me? Going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Like I took some profits around here and just below this. So like I'm like, why is the market retracing so much? I eventually got stopped right when the market retraced into this place. I had not broken even yet. My stop loss was still like around here. Came back up, did this, did this. When we're doing this, I was thinking, okay, the market is probably not going to come back up here again. So I put my break even, I broke even, and then bam, I got stopped out on break even here. You feel me? So when I got stopped out on break even here, I was pissed because I know this move. This is my move. Like I could have gotten like I could have gotten lots more than I actually got. So but you feel me? It's just the way the market is. You feel me? The market still ended up delivering somewhere around here into a fair value gap here. So you feel me? So at the end of the day, this is trading for you guys. This is trading for you. You don't always every day is not a win day. You just have to make sure you're not taking a loss. I didn't take any loss this day, made profit, broke even. So um account grew. Um no hard feelings. The only hard feeling is that my other positions didn't get into profit like I would want. But trust, once you know what you're doing, there is no point to panic because every day is a money making opportunity here in the market. So yeah, this is it. So this is why yesterday was rough. And see the front and back movement. It's not as smooth as this because see the delivery here. Touch this and didn't even go back to it to refer back to the area or anything. And we're still running a profit. So yes, guys. So this is it. Um, this is trading, and this is my analysis for today, yesterday, and yeah. So my forecast is that, of course, we're still bearish, fully bearish on US30. I'm still expecting us to hit this level and probably this level here. So it could take a few weeks, but yeah, I know and I hope that's what's going to happen. And if that's not what's going to happen, we catch the market either way. Anyway, the market decides to go, we're gonna catch it. Feel me? So money is always gonna be made on this channel. You guys should stick to this channel, stick around, and I hope the videos here are blessing you. If you want to learn how to trade, just click on the link in my bio, my Telegram channel. You can have access to me one on one, and I'll teach you how to trade. You feel me? And if you want to trade with me every single day, every single morning at New York session, also click on the link in my Telegram, pay the fee, and make money with me. You feel me? Money is here to be made every single day, dog. Every single day. So if you're feeling this, if you're getting this, if you don't know the way to this, and you need someone to point you to it, let me help you. Trust. I'll give you what I know, and for only a couple of bucks, and then you go out there and do this yourself every single day. So it's not hard at all. I tell you, it's actually not hard. So yeah, I hope this blessed you guys. Quick one, quick one, quick one. Have a good day, guys. Have successful trades. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.